Space debris is really quite a large issue, and people have been studying it since the 1960s. There's about 8,000 tons of space debris up there now. This ranges from satellites that they've become defunct to everything down to small little pieces of metal and glass that are floating around up there. So satellites are used for communications, used for people's internet, GPS, financial transactions, disaster monitoring, weather prediction. If satellites start becoming defunct or they get wiped out in collisions, people lose access to these services, and you're going to see that here on Earth. So it's really quite critical that we maintain a sustainable space environment so this doesn't happen. The first thing you can do is to grab some of these defunct satellites and bring it back down, and it burns up in the Earth's atmosphere. The other way is to ensure that future satellites are prepared for removal, and we actually mount docking plates on satellites such that you can actually go and capture them and remove them in future.
There is a chaser and the target satellite, which is going to simulate a piece of space debris. Hopefully we will demonstrate capturing the target. Over the next 10 years, you'll probably see another 12,000 satellites launched, and probably about 5% of those satellites are going to fail in some way. By working with the operators that are launching these mega constellations, we can give them an insurance policy that if they have a problem, not only does it guarantee continuity of service, it helps them manage their responsibility towards a sustainable space environment.
This facility here allows any organisation in the UK to come and operate their satellites, specifically focusing on in-orbit servicing of satellites. By not having to invest in their own bespoke operational facilities, we're allowing companies the opportunity to have an easier start in the space industry.
In future, Astroscale aims to offer a range of different commercial and institutional services with different space agencies, such as the European Space Agency or the Japanese Space Agency, and lead to a better, more global, sustainable environment.